some sketch pencils, which is very necessary for beginners. So this is the graphic Derwent sketch pencil, and in this box you will get 9B pencils to HB pencils, and you can see the shade. I've made several drawings using this, and it's very useful pencil. So this is some pencils which I have now, and the price is 1,960. So it is worth buying, and you should buy it. So the second material is sketchbooks, which is very necessary because it's the main area where you draw. So I've drawn many drawings on this Bristol one, and the price is 1,700. So you should buy it, and it's not very high price. So the next is MI20's pastel textured paper. It's also very nice, and I like this one the most, and the price is 9,410 rupees. And these are all prices of Amazon, and I will give the link in the description box, and you can buy these materials from there. And this is the third sketchbook. This is of B Paper Company, and these all sketchbooks are free of acid. So the third material is eraser. So erasers are the most essential part of your drawing, as whenever you draw, you do not draw perfectly. There are some mistakes, and some erasers, when you use, they just tear your page. So erasers are most important. You should choose the good quality one. So this is the Westcott eraser, and it's very nice. I like it very much. This is the second eraser, which I like the most. It does not tear any of your page, and it's very useful also, and the price is not also very high. So I have not given the prices of these erasers because these are not very high, so no need to know the prices. If you want, then I'll give in the description box the prices of these erasers. The third eraser is gum eraser. This is used to erase all the messy work on your white page area. Means on your page there are some white area left, so there some fingerprints and many more things are just coming. So to erase that, gum erasers are the best type of erasers. So let's come to the next eraser, which is kneaded eraser.
So this is a kneaded eraser with a K, not a kneaded eraser like unkneaded. It's kneading like you're kneading dough. Now what's great about this eraser is it works by basically lifting up the material instead of removing it based on friction. This means it's not going to leave a messy residue behind like these other three erasers. And it also allows you to dab the surface with this eraser to lift up the graphite or other material, making the value lighter, but not creating any smudge marks or marring the surface at all. Of these four erasers, I would say that a kneaded eraser is...
I hope this video was useful.